Good day. Uh, I'm going to be talking about hypothesis testing. Here we'll be looking at an introduction to hypothesis. An introduction to hypothesis. Uh, a hypothesis is a theory. It's a theory or premise. Often, in most cases, it's just a claim that somebody is making, a claim that someone is making that must be investigated. So in most cases, scientists develop hypotheses, and many other professors or other scientists will investigate that hypothesis to know if really it is true. So that is what we are looking at. A hypothesis is a claim that someone is making. A claim that someone is making that must be investigated. So in science, in most cases in science, a hypothesis is usually a claim on how the world works. How the world works. In statistics is a claim about the numerical value of a population parameter. Population parameters such as the population mean or proportion. Population mean or proportion. So far, we have done, before now, we must have done the confidence uh, parameters, the mean and proportion population. And here we are looking at how we can test a claim if it is true of or if the claim should be rejected or not rejected. So we'll be looking at, for me to do the introduction fully, we'll be looking at an example. We're going to examine one question which I'm going to state or write at the board now. We're looking at this data. Um, right, the board of education for a large school, for one large school, believes that the percentage of high school high school circulars, considering dropping out of school is 10%. A high school, a high school counselor in this in the same district claims that the percentage is too high. He collects a random sample of 50 circulars and finds out that 8.5% of them have considered dropping out, dropping out of school. Perform a hypothesis test with alpha equals to 0.02. So we're looking at this question. We'll be looking at this question to be able to do the introduction to this to hypothesis. All right. Then in our future classes, we discuss in depth to each of the steps to take. So for the first step to take is to state the hypothesis. Now from this question, written on the board, we need to state the hypothesis, and there are two types of hypothesis: the null hypothesis and the research hypothesis. The null hypothesis and the research hypothesis. The null hypothesis is denoted. The null hypothesis is denoted as H naught. H naught. The null hypothesis is denoted as H naught. Is denoted as H naught, and it's a claim that nothing has changed in the population. It's a claim that nothing has changed in the population parameter.